Hey guys, it's me here. Welcome back to the another video of the show. In this video, we are going to talk about the how you search your YouTube, how to get your YouTube channel in a suggestion list. So basically, if I go on YouTube and search my channel on YouTube search, so I get here my channel. You get saw there bottom of the on YouTube search. Yeah, my channel come first on a YouTube search. Basically, why and what's the reason, and why your channel is not coming in a suggestion list. So in this video we are going to talk about this. Before we jump into the video, if you are new here, you need to you know what to do. Just give the video thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. When in future we upload the YouTube videos, you easily get a notification of our videos. Where this is the place where future YouTubers come here and motivate and learn something to us. So let's go and jump into the video. So if you are here to if you are bothered that your channel is not coming in a suggestion list, so search list, sorry, I just said the suggestion list. If your channel is not coming in a search list, so don't be bothered, okay? I am here, I will fix it, okay? So how to fix it? This video is very short, so please do not skip the video and saw a whole video. So how you channel come into the search list? So you need to take a unique name, okay? अगर आप एक यूनिक नेम लेते हो, जैसे कि डोंट टेक एनी बिग क्रिएटर नेम, ओके? बिग क्रिएटर नेम लोगे तो बेसिकली योर यूट्यूब चैनल इज नॉट कम इन अ सर्च लिस्ट. व्हाट्स द रीजन बिहाइंड इट? YouTube will promote a big YouTuber. Why you promote YouTube? Why you promote you? Because YouTube, he was a very famous on YouTube. YouTube will be promote as people know him. Why YouTube promote you? You are new here and anybody don't know who are you. That's why YouTube promote him more than you. So YouTube don't take any big creator name. If you already take the name, if you are already take the name and bother that your YouTube channel is not coming in a search list, so don't worry. When I give you some tip, whenever you upload a video, when you upload video and put paste the tag, जब आप पेस्ट करते हो टैग्स को, तो सिंपली उसमें क्या करना है, आपको अपने चैनल का नाम भी लिखना है. जैसे मैं अपना अपलोड करता हूँ वीडियोस, तो मैं उसमें अमन की टैग भी लगाता हूँ. 2-3 जगह अमन की टैग लगा दीजिए. शुरुआत में अमन की टैग, आफ्टर दैट इन मिडिल ऑफ द टैग्स put there on Aman ki tag, and in last Aman ki tag. And second most important thing, whenever you upload a video, when you write a description, तो उस description में hashtag लगा के Aman की tag लगा दीजिए. जैसे मैं लगाता हूँ, सॉरी, आप अपने चैनल का नाम लगाइएगा, मैं अपने चैनल का नाम बता रहा हूँ, तो अमन की टैग में लगा देता हूँ वहाँ पे. तो इससे ईजिली ये होता है, यूट्यूब आपकी चैनल्स को प्रमोट करता है टू सर्च लिस्ट, ओके? सो यही थी आज की वीडियो. और आप यूनिक नेम रखिएगा अपने चैनल का. अगर आप ऐसा करते हैं, तो अगर आप इस टिप्स को फॉलो करते हैं, भी आपका चैनल सर्च लिस्ट में आ जाएगा. सो इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियो एंड कंटेंट, देन गिव द वीडियो thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. Link in the description. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.